I check my face for this mirror. Oh man, I did fresh you. Oh man, I don't enter the streets of Lagos like this.
Hey. You dey go?
I don't go anywhere.
You don't dey go. What you gonna do for here?
I dey look the mirror new.
You dey watch me up. You know say that they pay money to watch me up. Something they do you.
I don't know.
You
I just come Lagos. I don't know.
You just come Lagos. So you don't know say that they pay money to watch me up.
I don't know.
I sit down for here. I never see customers since money. You dey here they watch me up. Okay, you go pay money. I know say you go down watch at 30 minutes. And that 30 minutes now 30,000 naira.
Now 1 minute though.
Now 1 minute to watch.
Yes.
That 1 minute now 1,000 naira.
I don't get anything, boss.
That's something they do you, Abi. You see that they follow you play, Abi. Okay, be manager. I be 1,000 naira.
Just to watch mirror.
You know hear me.
This out.
Be manager.